Hello, welcome. I'm Ambi from Ambi Ray Nails, and today we're going to be doing a super quick little tutorial on how to do the really popular glass bead cat eye nails. What you're going to need to do this is you're going to need a black base. I use Cateye Hema Free number 9018. This is super thick, super pigmented, basically a one coat. You do need to cure it for probably 3+ minutes. I cannot stress enough how dangerous undercured product is. And your colors like black, red, yellow, white, the super pigmented ones, need more time to cure. So if you're getting wrinkling, you're not curing it long enough, and that's really dangerous. Please don't do it. You're also going to need your Cateye Silver. I am using this brand. Cannot pronounce it. Not gonna try. Absolutely love it though. It is beautiful for this design. And you're going to need a jelly gel in whatever color you choose. I'm going to do red. If you don't have jelly gel, that's okay. You can just mix a little tiny bit of polish in with a base coat or a top coat, anything that's clear, and just mix it together until it's transparent. That will work just fine. So let's get started. I've already got my base color on because I wanted to save that time for the video. So one coat of the black Cateye. And now we're going to shake up our cat eye really good. You want to get those particles all good and shaken. Shaken, is that a word? I don't know. Either way, shake it. Now you're going to paint it onto your nail. And kind of thick. You want lots of those metallic particles on there so you'll get a nice, beautiful finish. I do not know why when I'm painting on a tip, I always turn it sideways. Obviously, I don't do that when I'm working on a client, but here we are. Now that we've got that on, we're going to take our magnet. I am using this cylindrical one that came with it. Works great. And you're just going to push all of those particles kind of into a circle in the middle. You want to get that black on the outside to get the right effect here. And just go all the way around the nail. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's cat eye. It's not going to ever quite do exactly what you want. When you get them pushed to the middle the way you want it, you're going to pop that in your lamp for 60 seconds because they will move if you let it sit. Okay, when the 60 seconds is up, you should have a beautiful little cat eye effect going on. Now you're going to take your jelly polish and you are just going to do a nice even coat over the top. Make sure you get it all over nice and even. There you go. And you're going to pop that right back in your lamp for another 60 seconds. Absolutely beautiful. All right, now your final step is going to be taking your top coat. I'm using the Cateye Diamond Top Coat. And you're just going to brush a nice even layer on. It's going to give it that shine that you want. You can use really any color jelly gel that you want. I'm using red because I'm using these for my Valentine's set. Red actually seems to be the most popular. Put that back in your lamp for another 60 seconds. There you go. Your final product. Your beautiful glass bead. And this is what they look like on. The camera cannot even capture how beautiful these are. I have done hundreds of nails and these are in my top 10 favorites. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And that is all for today. So have a great and beautiful day, friends. I'll see you in the next one.